Hello, class. We are going to start with mapwork today, and then you can complete your reading assignment if you have not done so already. Take a look at this map of part of ancient Africa and some of the surrounding areas. We are going to mark some places on this map to help you remember some facts about this location during ancient times. Let's get to work. First, find the area between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. We are going to put a B in the area of Babylonia. From Babylonia, we're going to head east and stop when we reach India. Find the Indus River. It flows through modern-day India and Pakistan. Color the Indus Valley green. This is where the first cities of India were built. Now, we will draw an arrow pointing off the map and write China to show that China is further east. Let's go back to Mesopotamia and color that green as well, where the nomads first settled. Heading west, what sea do we come to? The Mediterranean.
Let's recap. We marked Babylonia in southern Mesopotamia. We colored the Indus Valley green, indicated where China is off the map, colored Mesopotamia green, and found the Mediterranean Sea. If we follow the shore of the Mediterranean Sea from Mesopotamia down to the Nile River, we will see Egypt. We will circle Egypt and draw a pyramid next to it. There you have it. Your Chapter 11 map